Welcome back. This is John Locke, and today I'm talking about SEO is not meant to be easy. What do I mean by that? The basic building blocks of SEO, content, links, UX, user signals, these things are meant to be easy to understand. They're easy to understand like what you need to do. But executing on them is meant to be something that's difficult, especially in more competitive searches. The reason being, Google does not want bad results in their search results. They want to be the top search engine because then they can make more money from selling AdWords. And if you remember that this is always the goal, increasing their market share with their free search engine to where they can sell paid ads, it all begins to make sense. But SEO is meant to be difficult to execute. Back in 2008, the then CEO of Google said that they want to place all the brands over in one area and all the kind of smaller sites over in another area. And that is what weeds out the cesspool of all these trillions and billions of web pages. How do you know what to rank? Sites that have long established their authority and established their content as great, you can trust results from these sites. They have links from trusted seed sites that have been around since the advent of the internet, and they're trusted for their authority and their information. These are sites that you would consider brand. These are hallmarks of big brands. So your aspiration should always be to resemble a larger brand. Even if you're a one-person operation or a small business or a family-owned business, it doesn't matter. You have to do things that look like a big brand. Now, when it comes to executing on SEO, the basic things, content, good content that matches the keyword search. It gets people to the goal that they're trying to get to. It matches the search intention. And it's good quality content that people want to link to. You create the content, you get the links. And then you can internally link from that page to your money pages, like your service pages that you want to have people find. Having good design and good UX, a site that loads fast, is mobile friendly, these things create good user signals. So Google has a way of measuring these that is not Google Analytics. We've talked about this a million times. If you have good user signals, it will verify things. That if they push you to the top and you have good content and a good link profile, those user signals will verify that you have good UX and good design and that your site is easy to use. These are the biggest things that's going right now. Now, they are using machine learning to kind of sort everything out right now. They feed it all this data. The Google engineers feed the algorithm different input from human people, which is the quality rater team, and they grade things to order to steer the engineers toward results that they would click on if they were a human being, but they want the machine, they want the algorithm to do this on its own. So do not be discouraged if you're not ranking immediately. Take steps to improve things. Improve your content at a baseline. Make sure that it's free of grammatical and syntax errors, but make sure that it's good content that would be treated as best in class and solves the problem that people are trying to solve. Give them the information that they're trying to get to, or let them solve the problem that they're trying to solve. Like buy a product, get a course, make an appointment, get some information. This is why Wikipedia ranks so high, because those pages give you a big source of information, and people are looking for information on a subject. They find all the information they need. That is the baseline of like why Wikipedia ranks so high. Why does Yelp rank so high in local search? It gives people a place to grade different local businesses, or they can look at all the different ones, they can read reviews, and they can make a selection. These are why these sites rank high. All this stuff, having great content over a long period of time, earning a strong authoritative link profile, having a well-designed site with great UX, and growing your brand. People are searching for you online, getting reviews, having good reputation. All these things add up. These are all things that add up, but they're not easy to do all in a day. You're not going to get it all done in a day or 30 days or maybe even 60 days. Put in the work and the time and the effort and the expertise of creating this content, creating good design, going out and doing the PR outreach to get links and coverage for your brand. That's why I say SEO is simple to understand, but SEO is not meant to be easy. It's meant to be difficult. All these signals, whether it's reviews, reputation, content, user signals, links, authority, all these other things, it's meant to be difficult. So put in the effort and you will reap the rewards. It's the truth. My name is John Locke. My business is Lockdown Design and SEO. I'm here about every 3 days making videos on SEO, and I would appreciate a subscription. Our community is growing. Our audience is growing. So give it a thumbs up and subscribe. That's all I have for now. Until next time, peace.